Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi, welcome to these practice questions on Selenium software testing. These questions are based on Selenium certification by Vskills. For a simulated exam, visit www.vskills.in. Question number 1. Which programming language driver is not provisioned in Selenium Core? The options are A. C, B. C#, C. Python, D. Java. The correct answer is option A. Question number 2. Which of the following applications can interact with Selenium? The options are A. Flash-based application, B. Silverlight-based application, C. DOM-based application, D. None of these. The correct answer is option C. Question number 3. Which type of test should be used for static content with no updations? The options are A. Automated content search test, B. Selenium RC or server tests, C. Webdriver-based automation, D. Manual. The correct answer is option D. Question number 4. Which Selenium component can scale for large test suites, or test suites, that must be run in multiple environments? The options are A. Selenium Grid, B. Selenium RC, C. Selenium WebDriver, D. Selenium NG. The correct answer is option A. Question number 5. What is not an advantage of test automation? The options are A. Frequent regression testing, B. Rapid feedback to developers, C. Virtually unlimited iterations of test case execution, D. None of these. The correct answer is option D. All the 3 listed points are advantages of test automation. Disadvantages are A. Proficiency is required to write the automation test scripts, B. Debugging the test script is major issue, C. Test maintenance is costly in case of playback methods. Question number 6. What are the advantages of test automation? The options are A. Support for agile and extreme development methodologies, B. Disciplined documentation of test cases, C. Customized defect reporting, D. All of these. The correct answer is option D. Question number 7. Which year did Selenium was launched? The options are A. Year 2002, B. Year 2003, C. Year 2004, D. Year 2005. The correct answer is option C. Question number 8. Who developed the earliest version of Selenium? The options are A. Jason Huggins, B. Simon Stewart, C. Eric Stewart, D. None of these. The correct answer is option A. Question number 9. Which programming language did the earliest version of Selenium was developed in? The options are A. PHP, B. Python, C. JavaScript, D. C++. The correct answer is option C. Question number 10. Which feature is additional in Selenium 2? The options are A. JavaScript-based approach, B. Need a proxy application, C. HTML unit support, D. None of these. The correct answer is option C. Question number 11. What is the feature of Webdriver API? The options are A. Object-oriented API, B. HTML unit support, C. Browser-specific control mechanism. D. All of these. Dot. The correct answer is option D. Question number 12. Which type of software testing tests if a specific function within application requiring some type of user input and returning some type of results? The options are A. Function, B. Static, C. Dynamic, D. AJAX. The correct answer is option A. Question number 13. Which type of software tests values that vary each instance of the page? The options are A. Function, B. Static, C. Dynamic, D. AJAX. The correct answer is option C. Question number 14. What is used so that the test will stop at that point and not run any subsequent checks? The options are A. Assert, B. Verify, C. Stop, D. Halt. The correct answer is option A. Question number 15. What should be used for dynamically generated identifier? The options are A. Locate by ID and name attribute, B. Use XPath locator, C. Locate by ID, name attribute, and XPath locator, D. Depends upon AUT. The correct answer is option B. Question number 16. Which of the term refers to wrapping Selenium methods to check for presence of an element on page before carrying out some operation? The options are A. Secure operation, B. Secured operation, C. Safe operation, D. Safety operation. The correct answer is option C. Question number 17. What routes the Selenium requests from the test in Selenium Grid? The options are A. Selenium Hub, B. Selenium Remote Control, C. Selenium Server, D. Depends upon AUT. The correct answer is option A. Question number 18. What is the default timeout for Selenium Grid? The options are A. 100 seconds, B. 200 seconds, C. 300 seconds, D. 500 seconds. The correct answer is option C. Question number 19. What is default maximum number of concurrent tests that can run on the node under Selenium Grid? The options are A. 5 number of tests, B. 10 number of tests, C. 15 number of tests, D. 20 number of tests. The correct answer is option A. Question number 20. What is default maximum number of browsers that can run in parallel on the node under Selenium Grid? The options are A. 10 number of browsers, B. 15 number of browsers, C. 20 number of browsers, D. None of these. The correct answer is option D. Question number 21. Which prototype need to be extended to create our own function to locate an element? The options are A. LocateBot, B. SearchBot, C. PageBot, D. Web Page Bot. The correct answer is option C. Question number 22. How many parameters does an accessor use to extend Selenium can accept? The options are A. 2 parameters, B. 3 parameters, C. 4 parameters, D. 5 parameters. The correct answer is option A. Question number 23, which of the following is prefixed for all accessors registered in Selenium Object Prototype? The options are A. Get, B. Put, C. Let, D. Have. The correct answer is option A. Question number 24, how many parameters does a custom action method can take if the custom action is used to extend Selenium? The options are A. 2 parameters, B. 3 parameters, C. 4 parameters, D. 5 parameters. The correct answer is option A. Question number 25, how many seconds by default is timeout value in seconds before the Selenium Hub automatically releases a node that hasn't received any requests for more than the specified number of seconds? The options are A. 100 seconds, B. 200 seconds, C. 300 seconds, D. 500 seconds. The correct answer is option C. Question number 26, what is not an advantage of keyword-driven framework? The options are A. Apt for beginner programmer, B. Enables writing tests in a more abstract manner using this approach, C. It allows automation to be started earlier in the SDLC, or a stable build is delivered for testing, D. High degree of reusability. The correct answer is option A. Question number 27, which of the following is not a test data source under data-driven framework? The options are A. Excel files, B. ADO objects, C. CSV files, D. None of these. The correct answer is option D. Question number 28, what is the major change in Selenium 3.0? The options are A. Dropping Selenium Core, B. Making Webdriver as W3C specification, C. Dropping Selenium RC, D. All of these. The correct answer is option D. Question number 29, which request type is created for each Selenium command by Webdriver? The options are A. Java request, B. HTTP request, C. AJAX request, D. None of these. The correct answer is option B. Question number 30, which of the following programming language is not supported by Selenium WebDriver? The options are A. C#, B. JavaScript, C. Python, D. ASP.NET. The correct answer is option D. Question number 31, which of the following does not requires running Selenium Server? The options are A. Using Selenium Grid, B. Run tests to a remote machine, C. Using Selenium Grid and run tests to a remote machine, D. Browser and tests will all run on the same machine. The correct answer is option D. Question number 32, which of the following language bindings are not developed by Selenium HQ? The options are A. JavaScript Node, B. Python, C. Perl, D. Ruby. The correct answer is option C. Question number 33, what is the project configuration file if setting up a Selenium WebDriver project in Maven? The options are A. pom.xml, B. pom.html, C. pom.xhtml, D. pom.json. The correct answer is option A. Question number 34, which of the following is the correct code in Java to create a new instance of the Firefox driver? The options are A. Webdriver driver equals new Firefox driver. B. Browser equals webdriver.firefox. C. Driver equals new Firefox driver. D. Webdriver browser equals webdriver.firefox. The correct answer is option A. Question number 35, which of the following are the two main classes of Webdriver API, if testing under Ruby? The options are A. Selenium, WebDriver, Firefox, and Selenium, WebDriver, Element. B. Selenium, WebDriver, Chrome, and Selenium, WebDriver, Element. C. Selenium, WebDriver, Gecko, and Selenium, WebDriver, Element. D. None of these. The correct answer is option D. Question number 36, what is the data type of parameter of getCSSValue method? The options are A. Bool, B. Int, C. Char, D. String. The correct answer is option D. Question number 37, what is the data type of parameter of getAttribute method? The options are A. Bool, B. Int, C. Char, D. String. The correct answer is option D. Question number 38, which function will not throw an exception if targeted element is not found on the page? The options are A. FindElement method. B. FindElements method. C. Depends upon search. D. Depends upon web page layout and HTML code. The correct answer is option B. Question number 39, what is the data type of parameter of click method? The options are A. List, B. Char, C. String, D. None of these. The correct answer is option D. Question number 40, what is the minimum Selenium version supported by Gecko driver? The options are A. 3.5 version, B. 3.4 version, C. 3.3 version, D. 3.2 version. The correct answer is option A. Question number 41, what is the default page load strategy followed by Gecko driver? The options are A. None, B. Complete, C. Normal, D. Interactive. The correct answer is option C. Question number 42, what is the data type of parameter of getCookies method? The options are A. List, B. Char, C. String, D. None of these. The correct answer is option D. Question number 43, which of the following will get all the cookies for the current domain? The options are A. Cookie method, B. Cookies method, C. getCookie method, D. getCookies method. The correct answer is option D. Question number 44, what is the return value by getCookie named method if no cookie found with a given name? The options are A. Value of 0, B. Value of -1, C. NULL, D. Exception is raised. The correct answer is option C. Question number 45, what is the file extension of Firefox plugin supported earlier by Firefox on Windows? The options are A. exe, B. com, C. dll, D. none of these. The correct answer is option D. Question number 46, what is not part of HTML5? The options are A. XHR2, B. WebSockets, C. IndexedDB, D. none of these. The correct answer is option D. Question number 47, how many values does the parallel attribute of SweetTag can accept when parallelizing test runs in Selenium with test-ng? The options are A. 3 values, B. 4 values, C. 5 values, D. 6 values. The correct answer is option B. Question number 48, what does Firefox Profile stores? The options are A. bookmarks, B. passwords, C. user preferences, D. all of these. The correct answer is option D. Question number 49, which type of test requires some type of user input and returns some type of results? The options are A. functional testing, B. dynamic element, C. AJAX test, D. none of these. The correct answer is option A. Question number 50, which type of exception is handled during compile time? The options are A. checked, B. unchecked, C. error, D. none of these. The correct answer is option A. For Selenium certification and more practice tests, visit www.vskills.in. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.